Alright, boys and girls, here you go. Northwest Indiana, Hammond, Indiana. We're about 15 minutes from the southern tip of Lake Michigan. You can barely even see the bridge, and that bridge is less than a mile away. See the trees? They're saying this is probably going to be one of the worst storms we've had in, many years. Go figure, I'm not even from here. I'm from down past Indianapolis, Indiana. But, yeah, you can see the snow. They're saying right now it is Sunday, early Sunday morning, like about almost 1 o'clock. And they're saying that come Monday, the temperatures are actually going to drop to about actual temperatures minus 20 to 30 degrees below zero, and a wind chill of about minus 52 degrees below zero. Oh yeah, it's gonna get cold. And you see it looks all cloudy. That's actually the snow coming down. It's been snowing since probably around about 8 o'clock or so. And they're saying by the time this is done snowing, we're going to have another 8 inches on